Thank you for joining us this morning. It's a gorgeous day here in North Carolina. We hope you're having a good day. Daniel, can you say good morning?
It's another rainy day.
A rainy day? You think it's going to be a rainy day today?
Yeah, I saw the 4-wheel and it was all rained on last night.
You're right. We can't sit on it because it's rainy, huh?
Yeah.
Aw. Good morning. It's not raining right now. Hey, Doodlebug. Can you say hi? Say good morning.
My noodle! What am I gonna do with you getting my noodle? Is it good? Is it good? You little stinker, you. I just pull it right out of my mouth. You need help? Yep, there it is. You need help.
So yesterday, we got a book in the mail. Nathaniel, what's the name of our book?
A book is called Follow Don's Flat.
That's right. Do you like this book?
Yeah.
Are you glad that
like this book?
you like it? All right. You want to share it with our friends? Okay. Farmer John's Tractor.
By Sally Sutton, illustrated by Robin Belton. Farmer John's tractor lies locked in the shed, rusty yet trusty and orangey red, that's right. That winter the rain comes, it rains and it rains. It fills up the river and blocks up the drains. The riverbank breaks, it's a flood, water swirls, it rushes and gushes, it spurts and it twirls. From down by the river there comes a great shout, help! Our car's stranded, we can't get it out. But Farmer John's tractor lies locked in the shed. Rusty?
Yet trusty and orangey red.
That's right. From far down the road, a jeep's coming near. It speeds through the water. The girls give a
Kill.
But how could they guess what these deep waters hide? A rock. With a splash, the jeep rolls on its
Sigh.
Oh, poor jeep. Yeah, we're having trouble. Along comes a tow truck as strong as can be. Hold on, calls the driver. I'll soon set you free. But look how the wheels spin round in the muck. It sinks ever deeper. This tow truck is
Suck.
That's right. The girls clamber on the roof of the car. The water's still rising. How frightened they are. But Farmer
Don's tractor is walking the shed. Rusty, yet twisty and orangey red.
A fire engine's coming. It's noisy and fast. Its siren is wailing. Its horn gives a
Wow.
But it slams to a halt at the edge of the flood. The rains caused a slide. There are rocks in the
Mud.
What a mess. The fire engine's useless. It has to reverse. The crew's looking worried. The flood's getting
Oh,
still. Farmer
Don's tractor is walking the shed. Rusty, yet twisty and orangey red.
The girls start to shake and to quake and to sob. Surely there's someone who's up to the
Stop.
What's this? Farmer John's by the shed with a key. He unlocks the padlock. The
Tractor is free.
Yeah. It grunts, then it sputters and starts with a
Oh,
and Farmer John's tractor chugs right out the
door.
The girls see him coming, but how can they trust that clanking old tractor all
Covered in rust.
At last, Farmer John pulls up right by their side. Hop on, squeeze together, let's go for a ride. Mom and Dad cheer and the girls shout,
Hooray.
Farmer John's tractor.
Have this saved the day.
They're safe and they're happy and free from all harm. So, Farmer John's
Tractor is
chugs back.
To the phone.
Never again.
We'll be walking the sand. Twisty yet twisty and only one.
Right. What a great story. A tractor that saves the day, and good old Farmer John. He knows how to get through the muck, doesn't he? Yes, well, we're so happy you joined us today. We hope you have a wonderful week. And do you have a special song you sing at the end? Can you help me?
Oh, take your passy out. Let's help.
How's
Let's
that
sing our
go?
goodbye song. Good. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Come back again, we'll see you soon. Goodbye,
Goodbye, goodbye.
Bye-bye.
bye-bye. We just woke up from our nap. Little brother's still sleeping.
That's right.
Have a great day.